Google about it, know about their services. You have 10 different panelists, you have their names. It is everywhere in the banner.
अरे कई जमाने धीमी गति के, आज तो सुबह हम कुछ हैं, वो शाम को हम कुछ हैं। आज सुबह हम इंडिया में हैं, शाम को हम कनाडा में हैं।
Students starting from 6th class till they reach the industry, right? And you get all kind of trainings.
यहाँ पर डिफरेंट फेजेस है, हमें इन फेज से पता चलता है कि जहाँ कोई एनेस्थीसिया देते हैं तो कहाँ पर किस फेज में कितनी डेप्थ होती है।
We need freshers, we need people who have a completely fresh mind, coming with new ideas.
Mostly focus on the area, what is in the trend. The one line I always say, go with the trend, because you always gonna stick with one thing and someone is coming and they are gonna replace you.
You need to make sure that the employees get what they need, right? One is from the growth perspective, from the learning perspective.
So much, and we really had a great day, and you guys put a lot of effort and we really appreciate that.